Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about resetting your car for free. Resetting your car is essential for restoring its electronic control systems to their factory default settings, resolving minor glitches, and optimizing performance. Modern vehicles rely heavily on sophisticated computer systems, including the Engine Control Unit, ECU, Transmission Control Module, TCM, and various sensors that monitor and manage everything from fuel injection to traction control. When these systems encounter errors, often signaled by dashboard warning lights, they can cause issues such as poor fuel efficiency, reduced engine performance, or even prevent the vehicle from starting. Resetting the car can clear these errors, recalibrate sensors, and help the car relearn driving conditions for smoother operation. However, resetting a vehicle can be difficult due to the complexity of modern automotive technology. Different makes and models often require unique reset procedures, ranging from simple battery disconnections to the use of specialized diagnostic tools like OBD-II scanners. Additionally, resetting without addressing the root cause of a warning, light, or fault code may lead to persistent or worsening problems. Some resets, such as those involving advanced safety systems or electronic throttles, must be performed carefully to avoid improper calibration that could impact driving safety. Therefore, while resetting can be a valuable troubleshooting tool, understanding when and how to do it correctly is key to maintaining your vehicle's health. Ever had your dashboard light up like a Christmas tree or faced electronic glitches that won't go away? No worries. Today, I'll show you how to reset your car for free and potentially fix these annoying issues. From simple battery resets to using diagnostic tools, we've got all the steps you need, plus I'll share tips to avoid costly repairs. Let's jump right in. Our first step is the battery disconnect method. This is one of the easiest ways to reset your car's computer system and clear minor errors. Instructions: turn off the ignition, ensure the engine is completely off, locate the battery, look for the black negative terminal marked with a minus sign. Disconnect the negative terminal. Use a wrench to loosen the nut. Carefully lift the cable and move it away from any metal components. Wait 15 to 30 minutes. This allows residual power to drain and resets the electronic systems. Use this time to check for corrosion on the battery terminals. Reconnect the terminal. Securely tighten it to avoid loose connections. Start the car. The dashboard lights should be cleared if it was a simple glitch. Be mindful. Disconnecting the battery may reset other settings like your radio presets or clock, so be prepared to re-enter those. Next, we'll use an OBD-II scanner reset method. You don't need a mechanic for this. And many auto parts stores will scan your car for free. Instructions: locate the OBD-II port, usually under the dashboard near the steering wheel. Plug in the scanner. Ensure it's securely connected. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine. Scan for error codes. Follow the device's instructions to identify issues. Clear the error codes. Select the option to reset or clear the codes. Restart your car. If the warning light stays off, you're good to go. If it comes back, investigate the issue further, as it might be a deeper problem. Clearing error codes without addressing the root cause can lead to bigger issues down the line. Always understand what the code means before resetting. If a specific system like your radio, windows, or infotainment screen is malfunctioning, the fuse pulling method is a great option. Check your car's manual. Identify the fuse controlling the problematic system. Locate the fuse box, usually found under the dashboard or in the engine bay. Remove the fuse. Use a fuse puller or needle nose pliers to pull it out gently. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes. This helps reset the system. Reinsert the fuse. Ensure it's securely in place. Test the system. Turn on the car and verify if the issue is resolved. If the fuse blows again, it could indicate a wiring issue that needs professional attention. Have you ever noticed rough idling or sluggish acceleration after a reset? This is where the Throttle Relearn reset comes in handy. Turn the ignition to on. Do not start the engine. Press the accelerator fully. Slowly press and release it 3 to 5 times. Start the engine. Let it idle for 5 to 10 minutes without touching the gas pedal. Drive normally for a few miles. This allows the car to recalibrate the throttle and idle speed. This reset is particularly helpful for cars with electronic throttle systems, which can be sensitive after a battery reset. Here are a few extra tips to help you maintain your car and avoid these problems in the future. Keep battery terminals clean. Corrosion can disrupt electrical signals. Drive your car regularly. Avoid letting your car sit unused for long periods, as it can drain the battery and cause system glitches. Check your gas cap. A loose or damaged gas cap can trigger the check engine light. Avoid frequent short trips. They can prevent the battery from fully charging. Regular maintenance. Follow your car's service schedule to keep it running smoothly. And that's it. 4 simple methods to reset your car and fix common problems without spending a dime. Remember, if these steps don't work, you may need to consult a professional mechanic. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more car tips, reviews, and solutions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.